I want to do a quick review on this. I love the name of this company, HiCFM. CFM is how they measure the volume of air that fans are putting out. So the name of the company is HiCFM. I really like this. One of the things I thought was great about this fan, very simple assembly on it. This was all already assembled. You're basically attaching the base of the pole, and then you attach, and then you're loosening these two screws right here so that part slides down right here. Very simple assembly. I like about it, it just seems like it's well put together. We've got metal parts more than plastic parts. So a metal base, metal pole, metal frame, metal blades. You know, it just seems like an industrial level fan, which I'm excited about. Hello, it's Jason. The other thing is it really moves some air. So it's a 20-inch fan yet rated at 5,000 CFM. So again, that's not just talking about how hard the fan blows, how much miles per hour, but the actual volume of it. Got 5 blades on here and very simple control. So we're going to go ahead and turn it on in high speed, and then you've got the oscillating knob here. So if I push that down, it's going to start oscillating. You see there. Also, I want you to hear the noise level. I think it's very reasonable for the amount of wind that's moving. I pull the knob up, it stops oscillating. Simple controls, 3 speeds, and it's really moving some wind here. The other thing to mention is it is adjustable in height, so you can loosen up this collar right here, and you can raise and lower it based on the height you need. 5,000 CFM with a nice metal construction. This fan gets good reviews, and I can recommend it. Hope this video